I became interested in the leadership course because it was a very natural fit, having studied geography and modern history, and indeed it was a very popular choice with many of the other undergraduate students on my course. But I became most interested and most sort of taken by it when I looked at the various modules, and I found the modules to be very skills and experience heavy. And having studied 3 years of a lot of theory, it was a real opportunity to take that knowledge and take that theory and begin to put it into practice and build a skill set that I knew that I would need and could use in my future career.
I think one of the appealing parts of the course is that it's a 12-month program. You come away with an MSc, so it seems like a short investment. It goes incredibly fast. Another part that really interested me in the program was that Sustainable Development Goals curriculum being really enmeshed in the program, because you go a mile wide and an inch deep, so you cover all of the goals, which kind of take you over the global issues, and so you get a really diverse education, as well as you can kind of take it and go a lot of different directions, whether that be NGOs or government, whether that be sustainable fashion or sustainable agriculture. It kind of is as broad as you want to make it, and then you can kind of go specific with it, so that appealed to me as well.
I really loved the opportunity to have a work placement that applied the theory into reality in a very practical sense. My work placement was carried out in Stormont in government buildings, and I found that to be really sort of an engine room of where policy becomes action, and it was wonderful to see that happen. There was a freedom in terms of what we studied regarding our thesis, which was really wonderful, and so many people in the class studied so many different areas regarding to sustainability, and it really highlighted how broad and how applicable sustainability is across multiple industries.
I did a 16-week placement with Blackiston Houston Estates in Dundonald, so I was able to still live in Belfast and come into the office, and I got to experience the diverse parts of their agricultural business, got to learn from different colleagues, and then I got to do a scientific report for them of surveying some folks on anaerobic digesters and slurry use, and produce some information that is valuable to them, and then got to use that for my academic paper as well for classroom purposes. I think getting to do a placement gives you a lot of employability skills because it gives you workplace experience. It gives you an idea of what it is like to be in an office. It gives you an opportunity to go deep into one specific interest area that you might have, and it helps you determine if that's something that you would want to go further with in your career, or maybe pivot and do something else. In our program we have 30 students, and we probably represent around 7 countries, so the diversity not only in where we're from, but also we have diversity of age, we have diversity of interests, and so that's one thing that has been really great. I'm one of the few students interested in sustainable agriculture, and so I bring that perspective, but my peers bring different perspectives of, backgrounds in food waste, or backgrounds in linguistics, or backgrounds in a diverse array of things, and so that sometimes is where the beauty in our conversations happen, in class even too.
The Masters has been very good to me, and obviously it's been wonderful to stay connected both with my colleagues and my students on the course, but also with the programme directors, especially Professor Jude Stevens, and also the current course director, Adewale, as well. These individuals continue to inspire me, and they continue to really lead thought and lead change in our modern world. And it's wonderful not only to be around these individuals, but to be part of a process that's helping students to take the theory of their undergraduate degrees and apply it into the practical real world settings so that they can be thought and change leaders as well.